Alright folks, we got a real nice pickup for you here. It's a 2012 Ford F-150. It's an XLT. She's technically a long bed with a 6.5 box, 4-wheel drive, EcoBoost, 3.5 liter 6-cylinder, factory trailer tow, sync technology with streaming audio, hands-free calling, satellite radio. What a nice truck, folks. The body is beautiful on this truck. The interior is the same, if not nicer. The drivability is super strong. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect right here on this XLT. And we can start the down payment on this lady at $1,295. That's $1,295 starting down payment. 2012 Ford F-150 XLT crew cab EcoBoost 4-wheel drive with a updated trailer tow pack. DasCleveland.com. Do not hesitate.